Hello, my name is Erwin Dars. I am with PAI Manufacturing. I am the plant manager over Engineering Services. Today we're talking about our Gleason 350 GMM. What that's for is it's a specialized piece of equipment that we use for measuring our gear profiles, involutes, and any of the specifications that we have on a gear. This machine's much like a coordinate measure machine that we've looked at before, except for it's specialized in that it has a rotational axis so the part can rotate as the probe comes in. Probe comes in and stays in contact, does a full scan from the tip to the root of the tooth, from the bottom to the top. That will give us the full involute of the tooth as well as the lead of the tooth and whatever crown we have on the tooth. It'll also go in and it'll check from the pitch line of the tooth to the next pitch line of every tooth around the part, and that will give us what kind of run out we have on the teeth. We'll make sure the thicknesses are correct, and we'll also make sure the runouts are right. This machine is used in all of our soft gears, which we come off of the hobs, being ready to go to heat treat to make sure we have enough material on the part. And then it'll also be used when it comes back from heat treat. When we do our grinding operations, we'll look at it and look at our finish dimensions after heat treat and after grinding. What will happen is after it does a complete rotation of the part and checks everything, on the screen we'll have several charts that will give us the dimensions and the tolerances we have of that part so we can figure out if it's within the right specifications for our application. As you can imagine, this machine will be able to check different size gear teeth and also different configurations. It will not only check a straight-sided spur gear like this, but it'll also be able to check helical gears. We can also check spiral bevels and those type gears in this machine too. We just have to change around the configuration, and we do that through the probe tips. The probe tips, as you can see, are made so that they are magnetically held on the ram here, and what happens is there's an electronic signal that's sent back to the machine as it's in contact to check the part. Depending on if we're going in on this aspect, if we're doing an OD, we'd use a straight probe like this. Here we have a bigger one for a horse tooth gear like this. This would be like for a fine tooth gear, as you can see. The right angle ones are here usually for an interior gear, if we're taking a spline measurement or an interior clutch tooth or something like that, because we'll have to come in and get into the hole and come back and check it from the inside like that.